Hello friends, hope all you are fine and doing well. Welcome to our channel using Mould. In today's video, we are going to see how to read the BOM or bill of material in Mould drawing. We will see each and every component that it consists, like part name, material, finish size, supplier, quantity, and remark. We will see all the things one by one. So friends, those who have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe so you never miss an industrial insight, tips and tutorial. So friend, in today's video we are going to learn about how to read the bill of material or BOM in mold drawing. If you are into a mold designing or injection molding or manufacturing or just want to curious about the mold, then it's very important because then understanding the BOM is a must because it is a roadmap of all the components in mold. Okay, so let's get started. First, what is BOM? Actually, BOM is a structure list of every component used in the mold. Okay, you will find each and every component the mold in the BOM. It is usually appear in the table format in the drawing sheet. It consists of part name, material, finish size, supplier, quantity, and remark. Okay, the part name you can identify. In the part name you can see different top cavity, fixed plate, moving plate, ejector pin, right side spacer, ejector, retainer pin, ejector. These are our part name. And second will be of material, which type of material it will tell, such as P20, H31, C45, NAC 80. You will find the material type. Okay, then finish size, what is the size of that part particular, it will show. Okay, and the next will be supplier or quantity, how much quantity you need, it will show. And in remark, suppose a pin ejector or something you want to share the length, you can give in the remark or you can give the HRC of a different component, it will be given here. Okay friends, so friend, let's start about today's topic, how to read the BOM in mold drawing. First is top plate. Okay, the material is used is C45, the size is 250 225. Okay, length, width and height. Mold based supplier that you can choose. This they have given the quantity is 1 and there is no remark. Okay, we will see in the 3D also what is the top plate. Show you the top plate here. You can see this is the top plate. You will hide all the things. You can see this is the top plate. Okay, what is the next one? This is the fixed plate. It is also C45. Okay, this material, it is according to the volume, how much volume you require. This will be according to different company use different material. Okay, it can be MS also or P20 also, it according to the need. We have seen the top plate. Okay, now we are going to see the fixed plate. Okay, this is the fixed plate. This is also C45, 200 and 55 is the height. Okay, 200 by 200 into 55. Okay, the quantity is 1. We are going to see in the 3D also. This one is our fixed plate. Okay, you can see this is the fixed plate. This one is the fixed plate. Okay, just we have to give the mold base company this drawing, they will manufacture it. Okay, so the next one is, you can find it in the drawing also. Here is the top plate and this is the fixed plate, or you can say cavity plate, because it is attached to the fixed side of our injection molding unit. Okay, you can cross check from here as well as in the 3D if it is correct or not. Okay, so second one is will be third, we are going to see the moving plate. This is also the material is C45, 200 by 200 into 65. Okay, the quantity is 1. This is the moving plate. Okay, to see in the, this one is the moving plate, or you can say the core plate. Okay, the next one is right side spacer and left side spacer. Okay, this is C45, 200 by 60 by 38. Okay, this is quantity 1. Okay, the spacer are this one. I will hide the other parts so that you can understand properly. These are the two spacer that I am talking about. Okay friends, the next one is ejector retainer plate. Okay, the material is C45, the size is 200 by 2. Ejector retainer plate. Okay, this one is, okay, ejector plate and ejector retainer plate. This is ejector plate and ejector retainer plate. You will see it in the 3D also. I'll show you the first photo. This one is the ejector retainer plate, and this one is ejector plate. Okay, so both are C45 and used for ejection. 200 by 220, 120 into 45, 200, 120 into 20. The height is 20. Okay, we will see in the video also. Okay friends, these are the two plates that we are talking about. I hope you understand up to this one. So we are going to see the next one, ejector plate. We have to, then the bottom plate and support pillar. Okay, so friends, the next one is our bottom plate. It is C45, 250 by 200 into 25. This is quantity 1. Okay, the bottom plate we can see in the 3D. This is the bottom plate that I am talking about, which will be fixed with the moving half of the injection molding machine. Okay friends, you can see in the drawing also. This is the bottom plate. This is the bottom plate. So we have completed up to our bottom plate. Okay, then support pillar. This is C45 dia 30 by 60. Okay, this will all the things that are being included in the mold base. Okay, I'll show you the 3D that will come under ejection. Okay friend, this is the, so friend you can see these are the different ejection accessories. Okay, this is our support pillar. Okay, these are the springs we'll see in the later stage. Okay, these are the stoppers. So friend, let's see the next one. The next one is main cavity insert. The material used is NAC 80 and in dimension equal 100 by 80 into 30. The quantity is 1 and the HRC is rated 38 to 40. Okay, one I'll show you first. So friend, this is the main cavity insert. You can see. Okay, the HRC is 38 to 40. You will see it in the 3D also. This is the friends. This is the cavity insert. The next will be main core insert. You can see here also main core insert. Okay, the material is NAC 80. It's 100 by 80 into 35. The HRC is same 38 to 40. You can see here in the drawing also. You can recheck here. This is the cavity. This is the core insert. Okay, this is the cavity and this is the core insert. You can go and check in the 3D also. See here, it is the core insert. I will hide the cavity one. You can see this is the core. Okay, friends. Next will be our slider body. After main core insert, it will be slider body. Okay, it is 68 by 50, HRC 38 to 40. The material will be NAC 80. Okay, friends, you can assembly drawing also. Here you can see. We'll see it in the 3D. So we can understand. So, friend, you can see this assembly. Okay, the slider or slide assembly. We are talking about this part. The rest of the thing I am going to hide so you can understand properly. These are the two components that we are talking about, slider body. Okay. So what is the next one? Next one is slider insert. Okay, you can see slider insert. The material is NAC 80 and HRC is 38. Okay, to 40. Similarly, so we are going to see in the. You can see this is the for slide insert. Okay, you can check in the slide insert for quantities. So what is the next one after slide insert? This is the slide cam board block. Okay, SKD 11 or S13 or this is the size 5843 into 22, quantities to HRC 58 to 60. Okay, slider cam body. So slider cam body. This is the slider cam block. Okay, this we can see in the 3D also. This is the slider cam. Hope you understand. We'll hide other so that you can. This is the slider cam. So friend, the next one is slider guide block. The material is same SKD 11, the size 55, 15 into 15. Okay, the quantity is for HRC 58 to 60. Okay, so we are going. Okay. So friend, you can see this is the slider guide block. The quantity is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the next one, friends? Next one will be our slider wear plate. Okay, slide wear plate. This is a slide wear plate. That is 68, 58 into 6. Okay, I will show you in the 3D. These are the two plates we are talking about. These are the two plates. Okay, friends. I hope you clear about this cavity insert, core insert, slider block, slider insert, slider cam block, slider guide block, and wear plate. There is a spring also to the surprise punch. You can see in the drawing also. Here is a section has been cut. You can see these are the two springs that we are talking about. You can see that it is cut from the center AA section. So you can see this AA section. You can find the two springs. You can see in the 3D also. I will show you in the 3D also. You can see these are the two springs I am talking about. Okay, friends, this is the whole slide assembly. I hope you are clear up to this one. So, friends, the next one will be our after spring. It will be Z ejector pin. Okay, This is standard and the quantity is 1. You can see Z ejector pin. You can see this one. This is the screw puller one. You can see here also. This one is our Z ejector pin. Okay, we will see in the 3D also, so you can understand more easily. So friends, this is one is the Z ejector pin. What we are talking about. So the next one will be after Z ejector pin. You will find the step ejector pin standards. Okay, this is punch 8 and 8. Okay, these two are similar. Okay, so we are going to see these are the step ejector pin. Okay, these are two similar. We'll see in the video also. You can see the puller as well as pin. I will hide the puller. You can see the Z ejector pin as well as the runner puller. I will hide the runner puller. You can see Z ejector. These are the ejector pin. Okay. So friend, after Z ejector pins, we are step ejector pin. We are going to see again Z ejector pins. These are the quantity is 4. Okay. You can see the quantity is 4. Z ejector pin. Okay, the quantity is 4. Just I want to hide it. These are the Z puller. Okay, runner puller pin. I hope you cleared up to this one. Okay, the next is our screw bush. Okay, we are going to use the P20 30 by 60. Okay, and HRC 38 to 40. We are going to see the video also. So friend, you can see this is the screw bush. Okay, the basic function is to connect from the machine node cell to the runner. Okay, this is the screw bush. Material P20, this one 30 by 60. Okay, and the HRC needed is 36. You can see in the drawing also. It is clearly given. Okay. This one is the screw push. Okay. Here also you can see this is screw push. You can see in the 3D also. This is the screw push. So friend, this is a screw push, and the next part will be our locating ring. Okay, this is the locating ring you will find in the top of our mold. You can see this is the locating ring. Basically, it locates the center in the injection molding machine. Okay, this is the locating ring. You will see in the 3D also. So friend, you can see this is the locating ring. I hope you understand. So the friend, next will be our stop disc. Okay, these are the, you can see this is the stop disc. We will see it in the 3D also, but we can see it is finding. Okay, we will see it in the 3D assembly. Okay. So friend, you can see the unit. I am going to hide this one also. So this is the stop disc. You can see it here. Okay, you can see the quantity here. How much? This is the 4. So these are the assemblies of our ejector system. Okay, this is the spring. You can find the spring in the bottom. This is the spring standard punch 4. Okay, ejector guide pin and guide bushes you can find here. This is the guide pin and this is the guide bushes. Okay friends. So friends, these are the main component of our mold that are given in our drawing. Most people might, it is depend upon the company. They are using the Allen bolt also, M6, M10. If you are using mold locks or other accessories, they will give. Okay friends, these are the main components that are given in the BOM of a particular mold drawing. Okay, there are few components which are included in the mold base that are not given, such as our guide pillar, okay, guide bush, and the sheet. Some sheet are also used in the fixed side. Okay, and mold lock. Some companies are using, some companies are not. So that how you read, that's how you read and interpret the bill of material in a mold drawing. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for mold related drawings. Drop a comment if you want to cover any particular topic about mold. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. There is a lot more content coming out on your way. See you in the next one. Bye for now.